Chick, 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 chicken, lay a little egg for me. Chick, 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 chicken, I want 6 for my tea. Hey everyone, this is Evan here from Round the UK on a tenner a day. One of the questions we get asked all the time is how do you feed 5 on a fiver a day? Well, let me show you. Hey everyone, it's Evan here, and today I'm bringing you another video cooking with Round the UK on a tenner a day. So today we're going to be cooking a pea and mint frittata, herby rice and a sweet and spicy salad. So the first thing we're going to do is put the rice on. So to make the rice we're going to take roughly 250 grams of brown rice and pop it in the pan. We're then going to take the salt and just put a pinch in, put it into taste. So just put a good pinch in. Rice, give it a mix, then you're going to pop the water in. So the rule with making rice is it doesn't matter if you're making a bucket load or a tiny little bit, you always want to put it just an inch above the top. So an inch is usually right there on your finger, so just give it a swish around. So we've now got about an inch of water above the rice, and the pan that we're using, and this is what we do most of our cooking in, is a pressure cooker. And you may think this is what your granny uses from the past, but let me tell you, this is the future. It uses less gas, you don't have to use as much water, and most of all, you van lovers are going to love this. It doesn't get rid of any steam. You're not going to get any steam out, and you're not going to get any condensation. So let's put the lid on and let's get this on the go. So you don't want it on too high temperature, you just want it on about a medium. So whilst the rice is cooking, I'm going to chop the herbs and garlic. And so I picked the herbs from our herb garden on the back of Mo, and I'm using lemon balm. So we're now going to cut the garlic, and someone gave this garlic to us and they picked it from their garden fresh for us. And so it's been sitting in our veggie bag for a week or so, and we've been waiting for the perfect time to use it. So we've just chopped the herbs, and the pin on the pressure cooker went up about 2 notches about 5 minutes ago. So what we're going to do is we're just going to turn that off and put it aside. So we're now going to make a sweet and spicy salad. All we need is 2 sweet potatoes, 1 courgette, 1/4 of a cabbage, and we're going to put a honey and mustard dressing on it. So I like to grate my sweet potato, and I like to finely chop my cabbage and courgette, and then just whack it all in a bowl. So that's the salad done. I'm now going to show you how to make the honey and mustard dressing. All you're going to do is take some honey and some mustard, a bit of olive oil, and just put it, bit of this, bit of that, until you think it tastes right. So, I'm going to take a teaspoon of mustard, a teaspoon of honey, and put a bit of olive oil in. And then give that a good mix.
How long's dinner going to be, Evan? That looks nice.
I reckon it won't, not too long. Mum, can you put that on the table, please? Right, so we're now going to make the pea and mint frittata. So these eggs were kindly donated to us by some retired battery hens who are well cared for in Tarbet. So just going to add a bit of salt and pepper in, and then we'll put the peas in, a bit of mint, salt in, the whisk. Put the peas in. Dad, do you think you could grab me a bit of mint, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. So just put the mint leaves pretty small, so just put the mint leaves in whole. Try not to put any stalk in. Put this aside. Give that a whisk. Let's cook it. So just gonna put a bit of oil in the pan. Enough to fry it. That's good. Give it a little. Gonna put the hob on. Put it onto about halfway, about medium. Wait for that oil to heat up. And then we're going to put the mixture in and make sure that everything's evenly spread out. When you hear the oil sizzling, you know it's ready, so let's pop it in the pan. Careful, because it's going to spit as you pop it in maybe. Just make sure everything's evenly spread. And the key to when making something like this is just to leave it to set. So we're now just trying to flip it so it cooks the top side, and hopefully it's not going to end up flipping this. Oh, that's beautiful. So whilst we're waiting for the frittata to finish cooking, we're going to add in the chopped garlic and chopped herbs into the rice. So just give it a mix, make sure it's all mixed in. And Bob's your uncle. Let's go eat.
Well, this is really colourful dinner, Evan.
It's really good.
Oh, I can really smell the mint as well, can't you?
It's better than smelling the pea.
Oh, Evan.
Well, I thought it was quite funny, actually.
Yeah,
You would.
yeah, you would.
That's really good.
Yeah, thank you.